Hey, Panchita, what's up? I gotta go. I will bring your fetus and I will bring Panchito to offer to the Lord.
Okay, bahala ka sa buhay mo.
But, hey, Panchito, we gotta go. We will offer to the Lord.
Offer to the Lord?
Yes. Let's go. We will go to the Mount Apo. Would you can... Sorry. Let's go, Inday. Okay. We will hear na lang. You go far away. You get your salary to the bank. We will return. Bye.
Okay, sige. See you later.
Wow! It's hot! Lord, give me some drink. Wow, Minute Maid. Thank you, Lord. Lord, I know.
Dad, meron na pong tayong panggatong, sibuyas, kamatis, luya, bawang. Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng tinga.
Pat na yun.
Daddy, nasan po yung iaalay natin?
Don't worry, my son. Andyan si Jaire. The Lord will provide.
Sino bang istorbo yan?
Hindi mo papaluin. Sasaksakin mo lang.
Saksakin mo daw ako.
Alam mo
Sino naman yun? Istorbo ah.
Huwag mo sasaksakin. May kuneho sa gilid.
There can be miracles when you believe. The whole
Uy! Kang umihi dyan!
Pinapatay ko lang ang apoy dito. Bawal kasi magsiga dito.
Christian! Sobra!
Tay, sarap talaga ng niluto niyong tupa.
Nga. Salamat kay Lord. Hindi niya sinunog ang aking anak.
God bless you all.